Recruit CRM versus Zoho Recruit. Which one is better? So, in the realm of the recruitment management solutions for 2025, Recruit CRM and Zoho Recruit stand as a prominent contenders, each offering a distinct approach to streamlining talent acquisition processes. Recruit CRM distinguishes itself with a focus on agency recruitment, providing a comprehensive platform tailored to the needs of recruitment consultancies. Its feature set typically encompasses advanced applicant tracking system functionalities, robust client relationship management tools, and sophisticated reporting capabilities designed to optimize recruiter workflows and enhance placement success. The platform often emphasizes the ease of use and a deep understanding of the intricacies involved in managing both candidates and client relationships within the recruitment agency context. Zoho Recruit, on the other hand, caters to a broader spectrum of recruitment needs, serving both staffing agencies and in-house HR teams. As part of the larger Zoho ecosystem, it benefits from seamless integration with a wide array of business applications, offering a wide platform for various organizational functions. Zoho Recruit typically provides features as a candidate sourcing, resume parsing, interview scheduling, and collaboration tools, all within the customizable and scalable environment. Its strength lies in its versatility and ability to connect recruitment processes with other critical business operations, offering a holistic view of talent management. Ultimately, the optimal choice between Recruit CRM and Zoho Recruit hinges on the specific requirements and operational focus of the user. Recruit CRM's specialization in agency recruitment may render it a more suitable option for organizations prioritizing nuanced agency specific workflows and client management. Conversely, Zoho Recruit's broader applicability and integration capabilities within the Zoho suite may appeal to the businesses seeking a more unified and adaptable recruitment solution that aligns with the wider organizational processes. A thorough evaluation of each platform's features, pricing, and alignment with specific business needs is essential to making an informed decision in 2025. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.